February 6, 2020, bloody Thursday for the Bulls, just as their level of confidence goes to an all-time high as the markets are screaming, we're going to the moon. Okay, we're noticing a very simple pattern, just like we did in the crash January, February 2018. Based on our historic analog, this is the best entry ever. I'm going to show you exactly why buying puts makes 110% sense right now. So as everyone is giving up on the crash, here it comes. February 6th and 7th, the market is reversing and it is about to crash. I know you're looking at your screen pre-market thinking, Leonardo, clearly you are insane. You are delusional. You don't know what the fuck you're talking about. And just as you're thinking that the market is about to crash today, guys, yes, February 6th and 7th, we're going to reveal some of the easiest trades you can take and to draw a parallel that nobody's talking about yet. And to be specific, it is the chart of Tesla that is predicting the damn market crash. We've seen plenty of signs. 13 market moves has been screaming a huge reversal and the market's lower. Charge divergence has been screaming a huge reversal and the market's lower. But this final ingredient was missing. It was the damn Tesla chart. It was as simple as this. When Tesla chart looks like this, guys, okay, this is something to take notice of, because in 2017 of December, it was the Bitcoin chart that pointed to an overwhelming amount of enthusiasm in the market that resulted in a severe crash just 30 days later. Well, at this point, it is the Tesla chart that is identical to how the Bitcoin chart was looking, that is screaming at the market that we are beyond being delusional when we're being bulls here. Therefore, a severe drop in the market is still in the making. The historic analog could be running one day behind or one day ahead, but we're very much on point for this market crash, guys. And I know if you're looking at your screen pre-market today, you're seeing the futures are in the green again, and you're thinking, man, fuck it, I'm unsubscribing from this channel. Okay, the market is going to test your patience. So just as everybody was thinking, oh my God, Tesla can do no wrong, it's going to the moon at 968 bucks. That was the best entry. This, in our view, would be the equivalent. The market had traded pre-market at 33.50 on S&P 500 on February 6th. And we think this is what's about to happen to the market, just like it did to Tesla. So use this Tesla chart for the next few days. From here, identify this as your 33.50 pre-market today on February 6, 2020. And this is what the market is about to do. Now, this coincides, surprise, surprise, with the psychological trading clock data. This is about the time where everybody is at a zero this morning when there's news of Chinese cutting down tariffs. I mean, what else have we not seen here? I mean, we've had Chinese stimulus, Chinese cutting tariffs, Fed cutting interest rates. I mean, everything that could have been cut has been cut. The only thing that have not happened at this point is we have not gotten an announcement saying they've created a antidote that will revive all the 500 people that died as a result of the coronavirus. What I'm saying is, okay, coronavirus is a horrible thing, and I really feel sad for the people and families that are being impacted by this, okay? But everyone is highly mispricing the impact. Nobody was talking about the impact on Tesla shares, how Tesla was going to make all these thousands of cars in China, and only now it's catching up to the market. You're about to see this catching up with the rest of the market, with the rest of the shares, guys. Despite of this 1177 move, we're expecting a move 2 today, which is a bearish reversal move, and a move 3 with a gap down tomorrow after the job report. Now, where could this historic analog be wrong? It is not wrong. It may be off by just a day or two. Now, on this thing, we're still expecting S&P 500 to hit a level of 3,025. And as you can see how quickly Tesla shares has dropped, this exact same thing could hit the markets in no time. So February 6th game plan, guys, remains to be the same. we short the damn bounce. The market, pre-market so far is at 33.45, 33.50. We want to short the damn bounce. What's about to happen is gonna drive the bulls to their tears. But for those of us that have been tracking this opportunity, it's about to become enormous. So yes, we are shorting the bounce. We're shorting the double top. The trade of the day is Twilio, guys. Announced some earnings that reflect current good news, but completely disregard the future sequence that's going on with Twilio revenues and projections. So expect this to drop when the market opens. Currently, pre-market is trading at 121.49. Basically, what you want to do is you want to short this stock at the open. That is the trade of the day. By the way, every trade of the day in the last few days, despite of the market moving higher, has produced in excess of 300% returns. Okay, the trade that we really like today is Amazon. When his ex-wife sells a ton of shares and Jeff himself begins to sell shares, guys, it's time to sell the damn Amazon. Okay, so head and shoulders pre-market is what we're observing. We want to buy puts on Amazon while the market is in the green. BKNG rocketing higher, awesome opportunity on the bounce. When we say short the bounces, this is the bounce you want to short in BKNG. 1950, 1940, 1920 strike puts that could drop the stock all the way under 1900, 1870, possibly 1840 by tomorrow, February 7th. CMG, that's the trade that was super easy. Yesterday, there is actually more further room for the shares to drop lower from here. So as long as CMG breaks $850, there's easy $20-$25 move coming, possibly all the way to the 808 level. RCL, we keep buying the puts in this name, guys. This stock is going lower. Yesterday was a move 7, guys. This is how it looks on the chart. Boom, down. Looks like a reversal in the making on stronger volume. Then they pick up and they buy the dip. 2-day sequence 7-7. Huge gap up higher. Typically, huge gaps up higher like this, they do have powerful ways to reverse. They maintain this level right here and they keep buying the dip. Slight move 11 right here going into the end of the session, but overall couple of moves higher that are not likely to be sustained. 5-day sequence points to still a very much bearish trend in the market despite everyone being blinded in the bullish action. 4-3-11. 7-7 is a sequence. This is how it looks on the chart. Even though it looks like overall the market is moving higher, it is notable that it continues to move higher on lower volume, while on days like we have sell-offs like this, it does happen on much higher volume, guys. Next market move is 2, 6, or 11 for today. VIX is dropping, but notably, it is hitting a level, a low part of the trading tunnel where it actually really makes sense to add big to VIX calls, which is likely to retest this upper part of the trading tunnel possibly by tomorrow. Yes, VIX 19 by tomorrow, guys. So we are waiting patiently for a reversal until 10:15 a.m. Yes, tomorrow, February 7th. So if the reversal doesn't come in between 10 and 11 today, guys, it's likely to happen by the end of the day. The very final point we're waiting for is 10:15 tomorrow. That would still be tracking the historic analog precisely as a historic analog can be. So with that said, make it an awesome day. Short the hell out of this bounce this morning, guys. Let's roll. I'll catch you in the next trade soon.